The cost to replace an engine in a modern car is a little bit like asking how long a piece of string is. It can vary quite a bit. Alright, I'll lay down some baseline figures, but keep in mind prices can swing wildly based on the make, model, and year of your car, not to mention the labor costs in your area. Here in Portland, rates might differ from, say, Los Angeles or New York. You see, if you're driving a standard family car like a Ford Focus or a Honda Civic, and you're looking at getting a remanufactured or crate engine, that's a factory rebuilt engine to you and me, you're probably going to fork out anywhere between $3,000 to $4,000 on just the engine alone. Now, where it really starts to sting is with the labor. Installing an engine is a pretty intensive job. Mechanics don't just open the hood and swap it out like a battery. We're talking about disassembling engine components, hoisting the old engine out, finessing the new one in there perfectly, and then reassembling everything from belts to bolts. This isn't a quick lunchtime job. You're clocking up labor hours, and that can run at about $50 to $100 per hour. Tally it all up, and this adventure in mechanics can cost from $5,000 to $7,000 or even more when it's all said and done. Ouch. But wait, own a luxury or performance car? Brace yourself. You could be staring down the barrel of $10,000 to well over $15,000, especially if you're driving something with a bit more vroom to it, like a BMW M3 or an Audi S4. Premium cars have premium parts, and as they say, time is money. These types of engines take more time to install. If you live in a city like Portland, where engines might also have to contend with the effects of wet weather and potentially more environmental wear and tear, it's important to factor in the quality of the replacement engine. Remember, you get what you pay for. So, if you're skimping on the engine, it could later come back to haunt you in the form of additional repairs or reduced longevity. The moral of the story: engines are costly to replace, whether you're driving a modest commuter or a fancy speedster. If you're in this predicament, weigh the costs against the value of your car. Sometimes it might just be more economical to bid your four-wheeled friend farewell and find a new ride.